Alright, good morning, good afternoon, whenever you're watching this. Hello everybody. So today we are going to be finishing up this bathroom. What I want to do is paint this vanity white, and then I am also going to paint this door white, and then I'm going to try my best. I don't know if I'm going to get to it, but I'm going to try my best to paint the trim up there white as well, so that this room can be a little bit brighter. And if we have time, hopefully my husband Aaron can recover this with the peel and stick, which I will show y'all the peel and stick and the paint I'm using in just a second. So this is the paint I'm going to be using for this project. It's the Gildan High Endurance Plus Grab and Go in white, and it is an eggshell finish. So I love this stuff. We've used this in multiple rooms of our house so far. Virtually our entire house is painted in this color except for a few areas. So if you're looking for a good paint and you live in a mobile home, this is a good one. It's about $25 at Walmart, and it's already ready to go for you. Unless you want a color, then of course you got to get them to mix that. But I'm excited. We don't have very many rooms left to go in this remodel, so getting this bathroom finished is going to make me so very happy. That's what we're going to be doing now. I'm going to show you the peel and stick marble. Okay, so we are in our master bathroom right now, and as you can see, this vanity is exactly the same as the one in Aaron's bathroom that we're going to be working on today. This one I painted white, and I put the peel and stick on top of it, which is right here, and it has, like, you can cut it out, measure it, do all those things. The easiest way to do it is to actually take the sink out. That way you can just put it on top, cut the hole out, put your sink back, but it's still there. Anyways, this is what we're using though. I purchased mine off of Amazon. I believe it was $16. I could be wrong. I'll try to find it, but if you're not a fan of online shopping, you can pick this up at Walmart, Target, Lowe's, Home Depot. Somebody I heard say Hobby Lobby. I think it was my friend Lena. She was doing a remodel, but she was talking about tiles, so I don't know about the peel and stick. But anyways, just Google it and see where you can find this. But it is just a marble peel and stick. It's just like wallpaper. So very excited, very budget friendly little makeover. So this is what the one in our second bathroom is going to look like at the end of this process. I'm very excited about it. So before we get started on our process, if you are new here, I would love for you to subscribe. I make a lot of lifestyle content, mobile home living, remodeling, all that good stuff. So if you're interested in those types of videos, I would love for you to subscribe. It's totally free. And if we haven't already, we are so close to 5,000 subscribers. And once we get there, I will be doing a big old giveaway. So
reaching out for sunbeams, grasping at...
definitely want to be watching out for that, because it is going to be a gift card that you can use anywhere.
summer wind, a peace of mind, the birds that sing, the undefined.
Y'all, I think I need a paint suit. So I'm gonna let this dry, and I'm gonna go ahead and paint one coat on the door, and I'm gonna let my camera charge because it's dying, but I'm going to finish with the one coat and then we'll come back and do the second coat.
The ground beneath, the stars above, the air I breathe, someone to love. That's what dreams are made of, a guidance in the night. Stumble in the darkness, finally see the light. Oh, that's what dreams are made of. So call me up, baby. Together we can go crazy. You and me in the night. I'm feeling alright. Now I got you when I want. So call me up, baby. Together we can go crazy. You and me in the night. I'm feeling alright. Now I got you and I want more.
But I will never leave your side. You're the reason to my pride. Never wither and runs dry. And your roses are my guides. Goodbye, my friend. Our love remains, but not this way. I'm in your garden as a day. Just feel the wind. If you look close, you see the lilies dance and how they slowly grow. I'm counting years as they go by. Now all the lilies gone and daisies brought to life. 'Cause at times I think of leaving, my mind takes me back to fall, when the snow begins to sing goodnight to all. But I will never leave your side. You're the reason to my pride. Never wither and runs dry. And your roses are my guides. Goodbye, my friend. Our love remains, but not this way. I'm in your garden as a day.
So I have 2 coats on the door. The door's pretty much done. I'll just need to go in with a little hand brush and clean up things. This is drying now. There's 2 coats on there, 2 coats on the frame part of the vanity. I got 2 coats on here, but obviously I need to go in with a brush and clean up. That looks like that because it's bowed out. So don't worry about the paint on the floor. I've said this a million times, but if you are new, our carpet throughout the entire house, our carpet throughout the entire house is in shambles. So we're going to replace it anyways. We're just waiting till we have saved enough money to replace it. So that's what we're doing, because we don't purchase anything unless we have cash to buy it. Yes, we are debt free, and I never want to be in debt again. Even if it's a Lowe's credit card, buying carpet and getting them to put it in, like, nope, not for me. Everything cash only. So now I'm going to get a little stepping stool and get started taping all of this so that I can paint the edges. I don't feel confident enough that I will do it without having to put the tape down. So I'm gonna put the tape down.
Someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener, greener than gold. If someone had told me that I will be strong, I'm gonna rise and fly and leave the gold between the lines. Whatever you do, what we were, now he's my silver lining. Whenever you call, what you say, you're nothing but a gold ring. To be true, say I do, but you're no one I needed in life. Oh, that is why you are stuck between the lines. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener, oh, greener than gold. If someone had told me that I will be strong, oh, I'm gonna rise and fly and leave the gold between the lines. It's really amazing how you got me treading on you now. Many beautiful faces, but they're not glowing. I just don't know how. I used to wake up without confidence till I woke up with you right by my side. I didn't think that you would show up like you did, and you turned my life upside down. Oh, your love has got me high, never wanna say goodbye. It's like my world's on fire, like my world's on fire. This is where we're meant to be, singing to this melody. Oh, this melody. So sing, 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 sing. So sing, 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 sing. Oh, your love has been my heart, blow my mind next to you. I feel fine. Oh, your love's got me high. I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last. So you are like me, wanna be free like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi. But I'm glad you're here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much.
Alright, y'all, thank you so much for watching. This is what it looks like now. We got the trim done, and it's white now instead of the brown that it was. Aaron just did, as you saw, this right here. I would not recommend doing peel and stick on your countertops unless you just really don't have it in your budget to do a new vanity. The stress that comes with trying to get this perfect is not worth it. So we made some flaws as well, but you live, you learn. Trial and error. DIYs are fun anyways. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video and it gave you some inspiration, and also just let you know, like with all of our DIYs we do, that you can transform a space on a budget, and things do not have to cost a ton of money to make them look updated or a different way than what they did before. So if you're new here, subscribe, because we do stuff like this often. I also do a lot of cleaning videos and homemaking videos, so if you're into that, definitely subscribe, because I do those every other day. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I will see you back here in the next one. Bye!
I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, that's so